Hey guys, happy Friday. I have a video that is a long overdue. The package came like right around when I started getting sick, and I don't know, I ended up putting it to the side and kind of forgot to record it. And then when I thought about it, I ended up having to do other stuff or I got sick again. So I have an unboxing to do, and I will put all the information in the description box down below. Definitely check them out. It's called Globleland, and maybe you've heard of them, maybe you haven't, but they're definitely a website worth checking out. I'm so happy that they, were willing to work with me, and I apologize profusely for taking so long. But like I said, I was sick and we were moving, and there was just a lot of things happening all at once. And this happened, I think this was right before we moved or right after we moved. So like I said, it just kind of got caught in that whole mess. So definitely check them out. Like I said, I will have their information in the description box. So I ended up just getting a bunch of stamps and dies from them, and I'll definitely be using these over on my for my journals and whatnot. So the first one that I got is a stove, and it's actually two separate pieces, and it's going to be so cute because it has all the little knobs, has the oven. You can definitely take like even the plastic that this comes in and put it on here. Once you cut it out, you can take a piece of plastic and make it look like the glass on the stove. And I don't remember everything in here, but I'll put the link specifically to this in the description box so you can look at that. It doesn't say it on here, but like I said, I'll put the link specifically for this in the description box. Then it has a little cookies and tray and all the little utensils and everything. I just thought this was adorable, and I thought it would be perfect for like a cooking journal. Then I got these stamps, and these are like a postcard, um, like little stamps. Not really sure what this is. I think it's just like writing. It's supposed to look like writing, and the little stamp that they put when you mail a letter. So I got these. I love these. The next set is this was a coffee set. So it has the little mug and little plate, the saucer. This says friend, I think. Yeah, friend. Then it just has the bag of coffee beans, just a bunch of coffee related, stamps, acrylic stamps. So I got those. And then it's upside down. This one is a couple of like vintage items. So you've got your vintage cameras, your cassette player, your boombox, the old retro phone, and I'm not really sure. This one says, give me a call. I don't know what that one says. Flowers. So I just thought these were really cute, and I cannot wait to use these. And then the last one was this little like stacked where's the, here it is, stacked, I can't even speak, stacked coffee mugs or teacups, I guess. They were just really cute, and has like the little hearts on that one. They each have a little different decorative little design on there. So got these. Again, this would be good for a coffee journal, or even if you're making like a sign, you can die cut a piece on there. If you're going to make a coffee bar sign or something like that, that would be really cute to just kind of put on the side there. So yeah, so I got those, and like I said, I'm just so happy that they were willing to work with me and so patient with me, because it has been a while since I've had these or I received these, and it's just been so crazy. So definitely check them out. That's the name right there. Like I said, I'll put everything in the description box down below, so be sure to check them out. And I think I have a code. If I can find it in my email, I will put it in the description box so you can check them out and use that. And again, that's it. So thank you so much for watching, and until next time, be blessed and be the reason someone smiles. Bye.